about cultivating your healthy immune system. So what are kind of some of the steps that maybe people should take or go through? So maybe go with the first step.
Okay. So I would say to make sure that you have a healthy, what we call microbiota. It is actually your bacteria, which is what we are. We're basically a host for bacteria. And we want to make sure that we have the healthy guys in there. And that is our immune system. It is in our gut. And so having a healthy balance, a richness, diversity, having no dysbiosis imbalance, and some of the other things that happen with a bad system from chronic stress and inflammation is leaky gut. That's pretty common actually. Just things like that that can really affect us systemically. So when we have a strong immune system, we have a good balanced gut.